Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. And today I will be replacing the windshield wiper blades on our Tesla Model Y Performance. The procedure should be identical for all Tesla models. And for our Tesla, I decided to go with the Bosch PureVision. And I've had Bosch wiper blades on all my vehicles. I've usually purchased the Bosch icons, but I believe they don't make them for the Tesla. We'll go ahead and try these out. These are all weather. So for the Model Y, you'll need the 20-inch and also the 26-inch. The 20-inch should be the passenger side. The 26-inch should be the driver's side. So as you can see, the part numbers here, 20 PUV and 26 PUV. Now usually the wiper blades, when you first pick them up, are good to go to install right out the box. However, for the Tesla, it's a little bit different. You're going to have to use one of the adapters that come with the wiper blades. As you can see here, this is way too tall to fit under the hood of the Tesla once it retracts down. So you'll grab here and then you pull outwards and you'll hear it click off. And this is what it looks like without the adapter it came with. So now you have a whole bunch of adapters here. This looks like to be a 4. This looks like to be a 6. And this is actually the adapter we need here is a 6. 3 and 4. So you'll go ahead and open this up. As you can see, this is a 6 adapter. And you're going to look at the arrows pointing upwards. So the install is going to be reverse of what you just did. So as you can see here also on the wiper blade, there's an arrow. So you're just going to want to match them. And really, all you really need to do is guide the adapter into the wiper blade and it should click. And then as you can see, the 2 holes, the tab and the hole will align as well. So it should click. There you go. So now this is what it should look like. So we'll go ahead and install it for the driver's side as well. Again, we'll go ahead and repeat the process. Let's just set these to the side, save some space. So again, adapters, instructions. Now, one of the reasons why I wanted to replace the original wiper blades on a Tesla is because when I first purchased the car about a year ago, I wasn't really happy the way they wiped. So for the Tesla, I knew that I needed to upgrade the wiper blades. And I've always had great experience with Bosch. And now that it's raining here in California, what perfect time to replace the windshield wiper blades now, because the factory wiper blades are now becoming really streaky. So I hope that these Bosch PureVisions improve the performance a little bit. So as you can see, very, very simple, quick adapter change. And we'll go ahead and get this installed. All right, guys, so now to get the wiper blades installed, what you're going to want to do is go into the car, hit the main screen button, go to service, and then all you need to do is scroll down to wiper service mode. It adjusts the wiper blades up, so now you can replace them. Guys, so now you go outside of the car, and as you can see here, there should be a tab. So all you need to do really is just push the tab and slide out. And ideally, you'd want to put some type of rag, microfiber towel on the glass. That way, the metal arm doesn't chip or crack your windshield. So this should be fairly straightforward here. Tab, and then pull up. So the weather stripping itself doesn't look too bad on the factory Tesla wipers. I wonder who makes the factory Tesla wipers. Anyhow, here's the Bosch. So as far as the height comparison, they are the same in height. The only real difference is here is the tab is a little bit different. It's a lot shorter. But as far as the height, they are identical, and the tab is a little bit shorter. So now you take your Bosch, and it looks like okay. So this is a little bit different. It doesn't slide in. It goes in the tab, and then you lock it in place. So that's the difference here. With the Bosch wiper blades, you don't slide it in. You align it in the hole, the tab to the hole, push it up, and then you push down here to lock it in place. And I don't know if you heard the click, but let me see if I can reenact the installation. Okay, so again, you take your wiper blades and you align it underneath, tab to the hole. There should be a slight little guide. There it is. And then push down and it clicks. So now let's move on to the passenger side. So for the passenger side, it should be the same thing. Again, take the tab, push down, and pull up. We got the microfiber towel to rest the metal arm on. And then now, you're going to want to take your Bosch wiper blades and repeat the process. So again, here's the Bosch. And what I forgot to mention on the last when installing the driver's side is that there's arrows here that tell you which way they should be going. As you can see, there's an arrow up, so they should be installed with the arrow facing this direction. So again, you just want to guide these in. So there you go, clicks right in. And just to kind of double check everything, I'm gonna take a flashlight and make sure everything looks good. And it does. So as you can see here, the Bosch wiper blades, a little bit shorter with the replaced adapter. The factory adapters were flush to the original factory wiper arm. I believe there's a wiper blade, a PIA, that already has the adapter installed and is flush. But I had a great deal on the Bosch PureVisions. The PIAs are like $70. And again, I've always had great experience with Bosch wiper blades. So I decided to go ahead and try these out on a Tesla. So once you're done, you want to go back into the car and remove the car from wiper service mode. But before you do that, I suggest you clean your windshield. I like to use Chemical Guys glass cleaner. That way, when you use your wiper blades for the very first time, you don't have any dirt or debris get stuck under the new weather stripping. So I'll go ahead and clean the windshield and take off the car from wiper service mode. So once you're done installing the wiper blades, just go back into the car, turn off wiper service mode. The wiper blades retracted down. So that's what they look like. I wish this was a little bit more flush with the factory arm, but I've always had great experience with Bosch wipers, especially the Bosch icons. So we'll go ahead and give this a try. Ideally, you want to replace your wiper blades once a year. So I'm going to run these for the last part of the rainy season here in California and see how they turn out. Maybe next year I will try the PIAs that have the more flush adapter with the factory arm. So hopefully this improves performance. Again, I wasn't really happy with the performance of the factory wiper blades to begin with. So hopefully the Bosch is a vast improvement. And also, what I like to add is that this literally took 10 minutes to install, and that includes swapping out the adapters, going into the car, hitting service mode, going outside the car, uninstalling the factory wipers, reinstalling the new wipers, and cleaning your windshield. I took a look yesterday on the cost of the Tesla roadside assistance service, and it would have cost $68 and some change, which is fine if you want to go factory. But again, I wasn't really happy with the factory wipers. So I went ahead and went with Bosch, a brand that I love and have great experience with. And if you want to go and purchase the factory wipers, then you can online. It's $25 per side. And then you can install them yourself. Save that 20 bucks or so. If you like this video, please comment below and smash that like button. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. It'll definitely mean a lot to us, and we'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.